Welcome back, guys. This is Trippy Trev back at it with another video, a part 2 or part 3. I don't know where we're at right now, but
final.
We're at a couple parts. Or we're at the final already?
Final, bro.
We're at the final already. All right. So I just want to tell you, I couldn't have done this without this main boy right here.
Yeah,
He's the heart and soul
like that
of this whole creation right here, man. If it wasn't for him, we wouldn't be this far. All of us.
This is pretty much my car too, guys.
Exactly. So his name's on the title.
But damn, boys.
So right now we got everything. Everything's wired up. There's just a couple little things that we need to do in order to get it up and running. But besides that, everything's bolted. Everything's good. All I need to do is slap on the wheels and let it calibrate and everything as well, and then it's gonna be bagged.
Hell yeah, boys.
That's
Building
so guys
comes from Miami. The
tourist.
tourist.
And he brought his little souvenir.
Yeah, but look at the new camera for the quality picture, guys. Damn, this guy should look like a photographer, right? We're gonna go get this guy's keys, and then he's gonna buy me a burger, so it's gonna be a good day for me.
Yes.
Green ass evil there. Oh my god, guys. We still have not talked about this evil in the vlog, bro. But look at that. Oh damn. We need to make a video just for this car. Wait, is Trevor gonna drive your car?
He doesn't.
No. You're gonna say no to the people right now.
Yeah.
They're gonna see you, bro.
It burns my hand.
I'm scared, bro. Trevor.
That's the Antichrist.
Just admit it, bro. Admit you're scared right now.
I'm scared. Dude, I don't want to.
What do you think, Peter? Puss.
You just got a new diffuser. I'm not trying to make it fly off.
Alright, let's go. Hurry up.
I'm
I'm pretty hungry.
Let's go.
Right, this could be the final day that you're gonna be on Cut Springs.
I know.
Damn, but look at this, boy. Oh my gosh. This is something you see in Need for Speed. With the new diffuser. This is way better than the one you had. Yeah. I think it's like fully modded as hell.
If I went 11.5, it would be way too wide to turn, huh?
Yeah. Shit, dude. Trevor? Driving, bro. How do you feel, Trevor?
I feel like I'm about to mess up this ego, dude.
Don't let it die. I'm stalling you, bro. Okay? Take deep breaths. He's gonna have a heart attack, bro. You're really trying to make it sound quiet. Yeah. How does it feel driving on 3-month-old tabs?
Nah, they're still expired?
3 months ago.
Jeez.
That's 6 months ago.
6 months ago.
It's January.
It was 3 months.
January.
3 months ago. Jeez, man. If I get a ticket,
Why do you think I didn't want to drive?
oh my god.
Oh shoot. Trevor, you got a lot of pressure, man. And you're freaking ripping in the streets, bro.
You should have told me when I was burbling.
Alright, boys, welcome back. We're back in the garage. This is a rare moment you see right here. The whole boys right here in this garage. All at one time. This is like a Kodak moment.
Kodak moment.
Yeah, we got Flacco in the building. Trippy.
A rare moment.
Peter and Mario.
Joe
Damn. They want a Joe Dirt. They can't miss a special day right here. Airing out.
You gonna
And we're gonna cut.
You sure?
You feel?
El installer.
How do you feel?
And the editor.
Hell yeah.
Do you have it though?
What, this?
The fucking legends right here.
The legends.
2 legends. These guys just came in clutch.
now.
Alright, boys. What we're gonna do now? We're gonna adjust a little few things put the last fittings on, and then we'll get back at you guys when we're ready to pretty much turn the car on so the airlift could start on. Comment down below if you get 10 comments at least bagged. This guy has to buy bags on the spot.
I'm already tempted as fuck.
Huh?
The comments will
On the
get me
spot.
going too.
Yeah. How many people? No, how many likes in the video to get bagged?
250 likes. Finally again.
Damn! If you guys make that happen, bro, he'll buy that shit on the
It's too
spot.
crazy.
250 likes. That's a good amount. Let's get it. Let's get this guy bagged. What's gonna happen?
We're gonna cut the fenders and it's gonna be bagged by today.
Do it, you buy.
Well, we'll know.
Ooh, that's a perfect fucking cut, bro. Trevor! You good, Trevor?
I mean, I'm happy, but I'm just like, I'm sad because I mean, this is the original baby.
Boys, while they're cutting Trevor's fenders, I'm gonna show you this guy's car. He got some new wheels on this. And new headlights and tail lights too. She looks sick. Damn. Oh. You know the reset? No. You have any? All right, boys. We're now gonna cut the back end right here.
Right in the corner.
Chippy chip is chipping.
So you're gonna have to do it before. You know what I'm saying? Because you're gonna have a gap here.
Well, I'm gonna have the other fender.
Yeah, but it's. I'll do it like
It's
right
his
here.
air.
Damn, guys, the thing is cut. There's no going back anymore. It's
Because-
gone.
Very nice.
Guys, I think Trevor needs some stitches now.
Yeah, that's a deep cut.
Put some super glue on
You got any stuff?
Why would he do that?
Ooh.
Get glue.
Just cut himself right here, boys.
Oh, is it sharp?
Yeah.
Sharp. What kind of question is that, fool?
Over here bleeding. Is it sharp?
Mario, is it sharp?
Nah, bro.
Look at his finger, bro.
You need a bandage?
Yeah, do you got?
Are you guys adjusting it?
Well, how about this?
We finally got the last piece of the puzzle, the fuse, into the fuse box. Now we're gonna wire it up
We'll touch the wire.
and lower the car and turn this thing on. Let's get it, boys. Oh, finally, Mario. What do you think? What time is it?
I'm ready to eat.
What time is it?
Fucking 11 o'clock, man.
No,
No, 10:40.
What are you looking for now?
The screen.
What screen?
The computer.
No,
We're never gonna air out, boys. We'll be here by 4 a.m.
You had it, Flaco.
Oh my man!
overthinkers.
Fuck. That's a bad couple, right?
Take the pocket.
This is Mario and Peter. This thing would have been bagged out of here already.
Boom. Where is it?
Bro, where is it?
Probably took a few pictures by now.
Guys, I know, guys. We'll get back at you guys again. Motherfucker, it was in his pocket.
Oh my god, you freaking retard.
I told you.
Anxiety already.
Why is it not turning on?
What the fuck is going on?
Not turning on or what?
Do you put the clutch?
Smells burnt.
Put the clutch in. No, check and see if there's only one or two standing up.
Relax.
Relax, boy.
Get over there. Get over there.
Stand over there. Let the doctors do the work here.
Is it on the car?
No, turn it on, Lee.
Turn it on.
Feels like a rod.
Set up the controllers already.
We're gonna wait till it goes to like 150.
Yes, eh?
How do you feel?
I feel fucking happy. I'm gonna cry.
It's alive.
All right, jack stance.
It's alive. What are your thoughts right now?
I can feel it I don't have any because I can't think right now.
Drop it.
You sure?
All right, boys. So we did everything today.
Yeah.
Did everything today. Got the fenders cut, front and back. Now I'm gonna drop this thing and have it calibrated. Let's get it. I'm excited.
Yeah, boys.
Thing is solid, bro. Close that shit. Move everything out. What are you gonna do right now?
Calibrate right now. System not calibrated.
Now time?
Wish to continue.
Yeah.
Vehicle will now move. Are you ready? Ready?
Trevor. Ooh.
Whoa. Hold on. Hold on.
What is he doing?
Trevor.
Go outside, bro. Look how high it is in the front.
The top has way more. Come on.
This is like a lowrider, bro.
Relax. Just calibrating. Calibrating. You think it's gonna bend it?
Yeah, I think it's gonna hit that thing. I'm worried about.
He's not even excited to see it air out, bro.
I'm excited. I'm worried more.
Oh my man.
You're gonna have to adjust it.
Watch it all.
Look how high it goes, bro. Holy cow. Off-roading, bro.
Nah, that's because it's adjusted. It's still not too low. So I would have to fix the ground.
Just pray. You need to get a better for the control. I didn't put it all the way because sometimes it feels bien.
Turned off?
Oh,
It's other fuse.
Oh,
You need to get one that goes straight, just straight up.
Oh, because it's sideways, huh? You need one sideways, yeah. Right. And it's hitting the other pieces. Delete the other pieces.
System ready to use.
Dang. Fucking slam it.
Slam it.
Dunk it.
Slam it all the way. Fucking send it. Send it.
Send it.
Send it. Fucking
Ciao,
send it.
Mario.
Ready?
Oh.
Ready?
All the way, baby.
Damn. How the front is hella high.
Yeah, that's what
Stock. 2 stock.
That's 0 pounds. You're ruining my admiration right now.
I like it though. It's beautiful. Your bipolarism is amazing.
I know.
Yeah.
I would have been Alex. I don't give a fuck.
I know, I would have freaked out. Dump it right now!
Fit me.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna run out of gas.
Bro.
Perfect stress.
I'm fucking out of
Easy,
here,
bro.
I fucking witnessed it.
Yeah, check it out, guys. Touch is right there. The front, he still needs to adjust.
That's sweet.
Trevor, new man now.
How do you feel? Shut the fuck up.
He got that shit on camera. That shit was sick.
I'm so happy, dude.
Tell him.
Paranoid in anything.
I was
I know.
paranoid, but
You have no trust in us.
I know,
well,
bro.
I mean, I trust in the bags.
You didn't trust the process.
I know, bro. Ooh.
Is that
Thoughts
it?
right now.
So you want to air out? It's all the way in the bottom.
This bottom?
Yeah.
Pago,
Sure, yeah.
thoughts.
I love the noise.
All right, boys.
Good air out.
There you guys have it. You guys got to see the air out on the Subaru RS. Now it's officially bagged.
Hold on. Not yet.
Put your shirt on, dude.
Where's my onion?
Put your fucking shirt on.
Put the shirt on. That's all you have to do.
Hurry up. Find my airbag right now.
Hurry.
Now you can officially wear that. All right, guys. We got a little surprise for you guys. Check it out.
Put it on, put it on.
If you guys think we're too aggressive with Trevor, it's okay.
Take your video.
Show me your teeth.
Show your teeth.
And
Ooh,
good.
there you go. That's a rare moment right there.
Let's go.
I was about to take off my shirt.
What's
Why?
it for? Look, you're
Hurry up. Take it off.
Hurry up. You think you want to see your nips right now? Damn, Trevor. Damn. Look, I could see Trevor like that in the shows.
You're gonna be wearing that all every day, huh?
Hey, when I go to bed, I'm like,
He's at work with that.
I'm gonna be here with my remote, bro. I'm like,
It's good.
yeah.
What do you guys think? Comment down below. Let us know what you guys think, honestly, man. We're coming out hard this year. 3rd car bagged. This one hopefully pretty soon, so. Boy. That's my boy.
For all of you guys.
We actually got it done in 3 days, guys.
Record.
So-
Like a-
record.
The main YouTube with all the cutting and everything,
So
bro.
this one will probably be a day.
One day, get this one done.
Hell yeah, dude.
You know what I'm saying? Hope you guys enjoyed this fantastic, exciting video. And like that, have a great weekend. Stay safe, stay positive. Keep grinding, boys.
I'm going hard this
We're going hard this year, guys. We can't stop now. You know what I'm saying? So let's get it, boys. See you guys at the next car shows in the future. Subscribe, comment, like, share it. Let's get it. Peace.